Congratulations, science students. You reached the final slide of digital notebook number 2. In this one, you're going to be doing a contest in class called the Down a Ramp contest with a team of your choice or in your groups, depending upon what your teacher wants you to do. You're going to be making a design that rolls down a table as quickly as possible. The faster it rolls, the further you're going to get in the contest. So on this slide, it lists the materials you can get. Your job is to make an image. You can take a screenshot of it. You can make a digital image of it using something like Google Draw. You could just describe it in a paragraph, but you need to be very specific about where each of the items you're using is going to go in your design, where you're going to use the glue, how much glue, and so on. Once you're done with that, once you've tested out, you're probably going to make some changes. That's where in this box you're going to describe your redesign. What did you change? What did you adjust? Why did you adjust it? Why did you think that this would make it go faster? And then before you can do the contest, you have to do a speed trial. So you have to measure the distance your object traveled, the time it traveled that distance, divide the distance by the time, the same way we've been finding speed for a while, to find the average speed of the object as it rolls down the ramp. Then you're going to be able to compare that to other teams so you can have the correct seedings in a bracket to see who is the down the ramp champion.